Go to GeForce Experience, Drivers, and download the driver. Then click Express Installation. Now you can see the error. Installation can't continue. Even if you try again, it won't change. Now let's see how to solve this. Click My Computer and go to the C drive. If your hidden folders are not visible, go to View and click Show. Now put a tick into Hidden Items. Then go to Program Data. Click NVIDIA Corporation and download. Now you will see a folder created the day you downloaded the drivers. Go to that folder. Now you can see the driver-ons are the same. Now you have to install these drivers manually. So follow my steps. Click Yes. My screen recorder is stuck this time because this is a graphic driver update. So I skip that loading process. Now again go to GeForce Experience and wait for it to refresh. Now you can see the update installed. Thanks for watching.